Let us recharge and heal our body and mind with powerful positive energy of divine love. So sit or lie down in a way that allows you to both be relaxed and comfortable, and then slowly and gently close your eyes. Now breathe in deeply, all the way down into your belly, letting your belly expand, and then breathe out fully, releasing stress and tension from your body and mind, letting go of toxic energy and making room for healing energy. So inhale deeply and exhale fully. Breathing in positive energy and breathing out pollution and negativity. Now continue to breathe in a calm and relaxed tempo that feels natural and comfortable for you. Now become aware of your body, your heavy body, as you loosen all of the tense muscles, allowing your body to be completely relaxed so that you can be open to healing and so that energy can travel freely through your entire body. So take a moment to locate any tension in your body and then breathe into that tension, loosening the muscles and releasing the discomfort. So take a moment to scan your body, breathing into any area of tension and stress, and then release the tension once you breathe out. Once you have let go of the tension in your body, feel the calmness of your body and mind. Take in this feeling of being free and relaxed as you connect with your physical body, sensing your body and listening to your body. Now imagine that the surface you sit or lie on is made of pure sparkling blue light of healing energy, and you feel the energy on your skin, creating a very soft and gentle tingling sensation. The entire surface under your body is glowing with this surreal universal light of pure energy, so magnificent and so beautiful. The energy feels warm and loving. You can feel the goodness and divine healing emanating from this blanket of spiritual light, and it feels so good and peaceful. You know this energy is heavenly, divine, and is pure unconditional love, more beautiful than anything you have ever seen before, as it glows with such powerful blue sparkles of universal light, like tiny stars of pure energy all over the surface under you. So take in this experience and feel the vibration of this healing blue light. Now as you breathe in this blue sparkling light and let it enter your body from every pore on your skin, being absorbed into you and becoming a part of you, healing you from the inside and filling you with divine energy and angelic love. So bring in the light as you inhale and let it spread to every cell in your body, healing you and restoring you, creating balance and harmony inside of you, and boosting your immune system as it strengthens your entire body. So breathe in this pure light and make it a part of you. Allow this universal light to heal your body and mind so that you can be healthy and happy, living in harmony with the universe and living in harmony with the energies around you and within you. So absorb this positive energy and feel the vibration inside of you as your entire body glows with its healing light of pure divine love. Keep breathing in this divine energy, this healing energy, and let it reach every area of your body, from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. Let the energy travel inside of you as you breathe in this heavenly light of healing and restore your body and mind. Now, when your body has been healed and your mind has been cleansed, take another deep breath and then very gently open your eyes. Notice how light and free you feel, free of stress and tension, and free of toxic energy. Make sure to keep your internal environment healthy and positive by appreciating every single day. So continue with this guided meditation to help you see that life is truly a gift and something to be cherished. Namaste.